everybody, welcome to Kids Cooking in the Kitchen. Today we'll be making peanut brittle. First up, you're going to want 1 cup of just plain old white sugar. And you're going to mix that with some light corn syrup. The kind I'm using is Caro. One thing you can do so your Caro syrup doesn't stick to the measuring cup, you can add some cooking spray to the bottom of your thing like that so that your Caro syrup doesn't stick. And you're going to need about 1/2 cup of syrup. There we go. And then you're just going to mix it in with your sugar. And it does stick a little bit, but most of it comes out. Okay, once you do that, you're going to take a spoon or a spatula and mix it. And this is a great recipe for all times of the year. We make it in summer and fall. We make it all the time. But it's really good it's really good for Christmas, especially if you want to pass it out to your neighbors as gifts. Okay, once you've got it all mixed together, you're going to want to put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Don't put the spoon in there. You would blow up your house. So I'm just going to put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. And you're going to need to work really quick. So you're going to take a cup of peanuts, just regular salted peanuts, a tablespoon of butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And you're going to have to work really fast. And all the mixing in this is really kind of stiff, and so it's going to take some oomph to get it mixed. And you might need some help from an adult to get it out of the microwave because the bowl does get really, really hot. So once all your stuff is all mixed in and everything looks pretty good, you're going to put it back in the microwave for 1 minute. Don't put the spoon in the microwave. Okay, so it's been 1.5 minutes. I forgot to say that it's 1.5 minutes, not a minute. And you're gonna take it out and add a teaspoon of baking soda to your mix. And once the baking soda is going to add the crack to the peanut brittle so that it really cracks easy. So after that, you take your peanut brittle mix and you're going to put it on a piece of foil or parchment paper. And this is all got to be really quick. Once it's on your foil, you're going to want to just kind of spread it out a little bit. And then you're going to let it sit for 1 hour or 2 to cool. Okay, so it's been about 1 hour, and what you're going to do when your peanut brittle is dry is just kind of crack pieces off and put it into the bowl. And it does just crack however it cracks. It doesn't have to be perfect, but if your size is Woo. Make sure, wait, this is one of the very many holiday recipes coming in the month of December, so make sure to go check out my brand new YouTube channel. The address will be in the comments. See you next time. Bye.